In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Google Workspace account. By the end, you'll know how to sign in and get comfortable with the core apps you'll use every day: Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, and Calendar, plus the right way to share files. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Workspace homepage. Click Sign In and enter your Gmail or company email, then your password. If your organization uses two-step verification, follow the prompts. Once you're in, you can access all your apps from the app launcher. Let's begin with Gmail. Open Gmail, then click Compose to start a new message. Type the recipient's email address carefully, add a clear subject, and write your message. When you're ready, click Send. As a quick tip, you can format your text for clarity and, if needed, attach files from Drive or your computer so everything stays organized. Next is Google Drive, your online file hub. Open Drive and click the plus new button. You can upload files, create folders to keep things tidy, and store everything securely in the cloud. Right-click any file to share it, rename it, download it, or move it. Your changes sync across devices so your latest work is always available. For documents, use Google Docs. From Drive, click plus new and choose Google Docs. Start typing. Docs saves automatically so you never lose your progress. When you're collaborating, you can share the document, add comments for feedback, and work in real time with teammates. For trackers, budgets, and reports, open Google Sheets. Create a new sheet and enter your data in rows and columns. To calculate totals, type =sum, A1, A10, and press enter. To find an average, use =average, A1, A10. Remember, every formula starts with an equal sign, and you can adjust the cell ranges to fit your data. For online meetings, go to Google Meet. Click New Meeting to create one, then share the link with participants. Join using your microphone and camera. It helps to quickly check your audio and video before you start so everyone can hear and see you clearly. To schedule your day, open Google Calendar. Click a date and time, add an event title, invite people, and save. Invites go out automatically, and guests can join with a single click if there's a Meet link. Finally, here's how to share files properly. In Drive, right-click the file and click Share. Add email addresses, then choose the right permission: viewer to read, commenter to leave feedback, or editor to make changes. Click Send and you're done. That's it. Sign in once and your email, files, documents, spreadsheets, meetings, and schedule are all connected and ready to go.